Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam, the scary alerts that are associated with the website Toppark.info. Toppark.info is a deceptive website that may attack your Windows browsers such as Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. Toppark.info is a deceptive resource that tries to trick customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Toppark.info claims that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It also displays some other scary messages that try to make people think that their devices are horribly infected with some malware. It is extremely dangerous to interact with these fake alerts. If you download or install anything that they suggest, your computer may be infected even more dramatically with a lot of potentially unwanted applications. So, speaking about the website toppark.info, this website is malicious and you should not interact with it. If you click on this Stay Protected button by mistake, you may be redirected to some other questionable resources. Plus, you may start receiving the great number of advertisements, pop-ups, or you may be brought to the pages that promote potentially unwanted software. So if you see these alerts on your screen, do not interact with them. Do not install anything that they suggest. I would carefully recommend you to research your computer by, first of all, examining the available applications. If you find any suspicious programs in the control panel, uninstall them in a regular manner. So if you find something suspicious here, uninstall it. I also recommend researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus, install the program, and begin carefully examining your device to make sure it is free of other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.